look just like
My grandfather came home, so yeah, my dad was born here and I was born here.
this one now.
So I guess we're what, second generation?
You're going to release your brakes. You're going to release your hydraulics, but you're not going to get to run the hydraulics. So this hydraulic control essentially runs the blade.
He was from the Upper Peninsula. He did the common trans for a while, and then went to Lower Michigan, so we're free.
We'll let you drive it.
Manufacturing.
In that hand, this is your forward reverse switch.
And there's on top
Push it forward, it'll go forward, pull it back to neutral. And now, put your thumb on the bottom, push it, and it'll go to reverse.
I got it. Anybody with any end, we all know. Anybody with any end, we all know.
The paddles are your steering.
It's quite two.
The left one steers left, the right one steers right. Remember when you go backwards instead of be backwards. So center release your park brake. Now unlock your hydraulic. I'm going to give you engine RPM. Watch your RPM come up. Now, that pedal is right there. Take the foot off that. This is a decelerate. So a car is an accelerator. Watch your RPM. Step on that. And your RPM goes down. You want to slow the machine down? Our machines are designed to just tear up the dirt. Oil and
A lot of technology, a lot of electronics.
so now you're live,
It's actually
you're ready to go.
everywhere.
So there's a delay in this one. There is no delay.
They have to reclaim the dirt, so you have to put the ground back.
So you're going to take off forever. You're going to come around these cones, just slow, of course, if you want to. So
we're
you can
running
see right now, when we get ready to go forward, there's a two-tire right next to you.
450 miles
So you want to come into the tire.
And it's
As
a
soon as you get the
Nintendo,
tire
it's a
back
wire,
here,
it's not a simulation.
that right here,
We're running
you want to make your turn.
Show the technology,
Camera,
but we
looking
can
at
actually
the
run
front of
double
the
tracks
track.
with nobody in it. We're from a seat outside in our city.
There you go. Start turning yourself to the left.
Bulldozers is connected
Then
right
you'll have to get pulling towards you. There you go.
And so when you see the dozer running right now, there's nobody in the dozer.
So then once you get past, you'll see back here on the back of the machine, once you get past the tire, you'll see it come up.
So we use Wi-Fi at the site, and then we use the internet from here. And we've actually run it from
And once you
Australia.
get past it, you're going to go, there's your tire now, you can start going to your right. Start pulling your other one.
So it's
Now you're going to go around your tire
almost indiscriminate. It's almost indiscriminate. You almost don't see it.
right there. Don't go,
It's well
go
over
right
a
around
second.
it.
It's probably, if you're on a normal site where you're a dedicated network, it's well under 50 milliseconds. Here it's about 75, 80 milliseconds.